This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable baking pans, specifically these Panificio baking pans. We have the 4-ounce square cup and the 18-ounce loaf pan. They're made of a fantastic durable craft paper and feature a lovely grease-proof lining to help prevent show-through and these fantastic rippled walls to really give them added stability and make them very sturdy. They've got a coffee brown outside with a nice little gold pattern on them for just a little bit of detail and make for a lovely little presentation. They're freestanding, both the cups and the pans, meaning that you don't need any additional baking tins or pans to use these, which really helps to make cleanup easier because literally you can just toss these or your customers can. There's no need to wash, store pans for yourself. You can just use these straight on a sheet tray. They're oven safe up to 460 degrees, and you can easily bake things like loaf cakes, quick breads, cupcakes, brownies, coffee cakes, and a variety of other treats, making these great for both professionals in any kind of culinary setting or just bakers at home.